everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and testing out for the first time the Anker MagGo power bank. I'm so excited about this. This is my first time ever owning a battery pack by Anker. I have already seen some of the initial reviews on Amazon and stuff like that, which is where I bought this one. If you're interested, I'll paste the link down in the description so you can purchase one yourselves. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and also some fun unboxing videos like this. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, it's sure to help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So let's go ahead and start by unboxing this battery pack. I have owned some Anker products in the past, like dongles, accessories for my Mac, like USB-C adapters and stuff like that. And this is my first time owning an Anker battery pack. I'll be using this with my iPhone 13 Pro Max and I'm so excited. So I have not unboxed this or tried this at all yet. The pull tabs are still here. So let's go ahead and unbox this together and see how it looks like. So here we are at the unboxing table. Here's my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I'll be using this product for and for my everyday life as well. My main iPhone is a 13 Pro Max that I still like and I enjoy using every day. So here's the box. I'll show you around the box and then we'll go ahead with the unboxing. So I did see this is a 10,000 milliamp battery pack, which is great. It's 2 times faster than other battery packs, and it does say Anker ultra fast wireless charging, and it works with the iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 series. So any iPhone that has had a MagSafe. On this side, it just says Anker MagGo Series 6, the same thing, compatible with these models. On the back, it just shows you some descriptions, and it does come with a kickstand, which is really cool. And then on this side, it just shows some warning and this input and output specifications right here. And on the bottom, just some codes down here. Let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Let's go ahead and pull this open. There we go. And then the bottom one. There we go. So now we can flip this over and unbox it. Oh, it's already sliding off. Perfect. There we go. So let's go ahead and lift up. And there is the MagGo battery pack. Let's go ahead and lift it up. Let's go ahead and open this right now in a few seconds. We have Anker Go battery pack safety sheet, which just tells you about the battery and how to use the product. So you can use it in landscape for standby mode for your iPhone and in portrait mode, of course, with the kickstand. And some other safety information in other languages. Some recycling info. And then the power cable to power the device. So it's a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is perfect that this is USB-C. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box. So let's go ahead and open up the battery pack. I do have my my USB-C cable for my Mac in case it is not charged, just to get a quick demonstration on to see how this works. So let's go ahead and lift this open. There we go. And let's pull out the battery pack. Very nice quality. There it does say wireless power IQ. The USB-C charging port. And you could also use this to, if you don't want to use it as a battery and you want to plug in another device, you can plug in a USB-C cable and plug it into, let's say, an iPad, and it also will charge your iPad through that port. It will just use the battery, which is really cool. On this side, we have the screen that tells you the percentage left on the battery and how long or how many more hours or minutes left to charge your iPhone. And on the back is the kickstand, which is right here, which is really cool. We can set it down like this. So if you want to watch a video or something, you could have it like this while your phone is charging. Let's go ahead and see if it comes with juice. Oh, it does, 30%. So that's perfect. Let's just go ahead and do an initial test to see how this works. So we can go like this. There we go. Our iPhone is charging, 69% charged. And then right there, it says 2 hours and 15 minutes left or 48. So it is counting down to charge my iPhone battery. So right now my iPhone is at 69% and my iPhone is charging. So from here, we can go ahead and pull off the kickstand like this to your preference, and you could use it for watching videos and stuff like that right here on your iPhone. And if you want to use this in standby mode, you could also put it horizontally like this. If I can find the MagSafe right here, sorry about that. There we go. And we could use the included kickstand, and it's charging the iPhone by the screen. And then there we go, there it is charging, and it shows the time or whatever night standby screen you have on your iPhone. So of course right now, so this right here is my 13 Pro Max, which doesn't have an always on display, but I really like that it also has standby mode. And it is really easy. Once you're ready to charge the device, you just plug it in right here to USB-C using the included USB-C cable or any other USB-C cable like a Mac or an iPhone cable. So that was pretty much it. That was the unboxing and initial impressions of the Anker MagGo battery pack. I like it so far. It is very compact, which is really nice. Compared to my iPhone, this is small. And let's see, like this. So technically it does come out a little more, of course, because you have a battery. But it's not that bad. This is cool if you don't want to replace the battery on your iPhone or you're running short on battery life now. For example, I'm at 69. This is with the second charge throughout the day. Or if you want to just use it for your other MagSafe devices. If you have multiple iPhones or stuff like that, this is a great device. I really like it so far, and I'm so excited to start using it every day. And that's pretty much it. That was the unboxing and first impressions of the MagGo battery pack. So I'm so excited. I'm already going to go ahead and start charging my iPhone. And there we go, it's already charging. So again, if you are interested in this product, I will be linking it down in the description so you can purchase it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye! Sorry, I know I did say this video was over, but if we go ahead and take a look at our lock screen, it already says 12 minutes to 80%, and that's just at 69% charge, which is really cool. If you want to see the full charging status, we can go into our battery settings. And it does say 12 minutes to 80% and 1 hour and 54 minutes to 100%, which is not bad. It is, of course, powerful, and it will last you a long time. Right now, because it already has 29%, but still that is great. And the battery actually says 43 minutes to fully charge. So of course, it will just depend on your device.